Microsoft has really hammered home the whole Surface tablets can replace your laptop mantra for a long time now, so much so that it's sort of lost most of its meaning. Sure, the statement is largely correct, Surface Pros are wonderful machines, if rather pricey, but I feel like Microsoft needs to get the hint that we know this already. The thing is, the latest Surface Pro 4 not only replaces your laptop, but your desktop and notepad too. It's one hell of an all-encompassing device. This might be the only device you'll ever need then, that is of course, until the Surface Pro 5 finally shows itself to the world. Currently slated for a spring 2017 release, we won't quite be seeing it just yet, but it's worth bearing in mind that if you're planning on picking up a Surface Pro 4, you might be best waiting for the imminent reduction in price. Before I get down to the review, we have to talk about options. The Surface Pro 4 is expensive, no doubt, but how austere your Surface Pro 4 life will be depends on the specification you choose. I had a mid-range Surface Pro 4, with a 256GB SSD, an Intel Core i5-6300U processor and 8GB of RAM. The price for the tablet alone, including the Surface Pen Stylus, is £1,079, but this is not a credible work device unless you buy the £110 type cover. By itself, the Surface Pro 4 is a light, if slightly thick tablet with a 12.3-inch screen. Despite having the same footprint as last year's Surface Pro 3, thinner bezels mean the screen is 0.3 in larger diagonally. Screen resolution has also increased, up to 2736 x 1824 from 2,160 x 1,440 on the Surface Pro 3. This takes pixel density from 216 ppi up to a huge 267 ppi, narrowly beating the 12.9 in iPad Pro's 264 ppi, if you're counting.